Before you apply for a Lending Club loan, stop for a moment, because most people assume online lenders are risky or expensive. The surprising truth is that Lending Club offers competitive personal loans, but eligibility, interest rates, and fees vary widely depending on your credit profile. Lending Club is a peer-to-peer lending platform that connects borrowers with investors, offering personal loans for debt consolidation, home improvement, or major expenses. You won't believe what happens next when borrowers discover the platform's transparent terms and easy online application process. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume interest rates are fixed or low for everyone. Lending Club evaluates your credit score, income, and debt-to-income ratio to determine your rate. Borrowers with excellent credit can get rates as low as 7-8%, while lower credit scores may face rates above 25%. Getting started is simple. Create an account, fill out the application with your financial information, and receive an instant pre-qualification without affecting your credit score. Once approved, you can choose loan terms from 36 to 60 months with fixed monthly payments. Funds are usually deposited within a few days after approval. The upside is flexibility and transparency. Lending Club clearly shows your rate, term, and fees upfront. There's no prepayment penalty, so you can pay off your loan early to save interest. The downside is higher rates for riskier borrowers and origination fees, typically 1-6% of the loan amount. Since it's an online platform, customer support may not be as personalized as traditional banks. The surprising truth about Lending Club is that it's ideal for borrowers who want a fully online, straightforward loan process with competitive rates, but those with poor credit or higher risk profiles may face higher costs. If this honest review helped you understand Lending Club loans, subscribe for more finance tips and lending reviews.